Hi, my friend, I am the engineer of Sundeer Laser. Let's show you how to using laser marking machine software. First of all, let's turn on the equipment. Plug the power cable in the power supply. Push up the air switch power. Turn right the emergency stop button to release it. Turn right the main electric switch button. Okay, now let's turn on the computer and laser marking machine. Open our laser marking software. This is our software. After booting the software, we press the laser source button. The green light is bright. If you have connect the rotary, you also need to press the rotary button to make the green light on. Take off the dustproof cover of the lens. We can put a metal sheet on the work table. Now, let's show you how to using the software to edit marking contents. This is our menu bar. When the mouse stop to the function button, an introduction will be displayed. There is a simple drawing function bar. This could draw a square, or circle. You could input the size here. X is width, Y is height. Look, it has a small lock here. When it's locked, if I change X or Y value, other value will be changed at the same ratio automatic. But if I unlock this lock, if I changed only X, then Y will not changed accordingly. This is drawing an ellipse, and this is for polygon. I can change the side quantity of the polygon, and click the apply. This is a basic drawing method. Now we will show you drawn text. Firstly, I delete these two. Click the Phi button, then click the square area. At the bottom of our software, it can modify the text, then click Apply button. You can enter the letter, number, etc. Here we input Chinese language. And change the font. Click Apply. What about the font here? This is the category of fonts. We have 5 kinds of fonts. True type font is the double-line font, that can be filled. JSF font is single-line fonts. It cannot be filled. Obvious difference. Following are the dot matrix font and barcode font. Barcode fonts we choose QR code or data matrix font. It will automatically generate a QR code. Let's click on this H for filling, change this line distance to 0.05. We could try to see the marking effects. This place is the setting the marking parameters, power and speed. Frequency is fixed, no need changed. Speed could setting faster, 2000. The bigger power, the lower speed, the depth will be marking. After edit the marking content, we adjust the correct focal length. Click Light, F1, or F1 on keyboard directly, and a red box will appear. This red box is the location we want to mark. This is area we marked. We choose the continua parts first, then, we click the mark. Look, this we can shake it up and down. Find the appropriate focal length. See, the light becomes stronger. The strongest light is the right focal length. After confirm the focus, click ESC on the keyboard to stop laser marking. Then, cancel the continua parts. We could start laser marking processing. Click Mark, F2, or F2 on keyboard. Start the laser marking. Now, we will show you how to transfer QR code into barcode. There are many font for barcode. Click Apply. The barcode have a little big, we can make it smaller. We press F1, and then we click Marking. We can modify the barcode length and format. Enable it could be recognize. The distance between every line are different. This is a barcode by drawing. Now we introduce the function of manual. This button is using for make the marking area square on the screen. This button is using for make choose the marking content biggest showing on the screen. The next button function almost same it. These three are zoom in, zoom out, drag. This is also zoom in, choose one point to enlarge. This is array. This is setting. We could amend the parameter in it. If the laser marking machine not include the computer, we prepare the U-disk, and amendment the parameter in here. This is filling. There is the cross hatch. If choose the cross hatch, you could see the square, but if not choose the cross hatch, only filling the line. And the line distance. It means the distance between every line of filling. You could see different value and effects. If value set 1, the distance will be very large. We setting 0.01, you could see the effects. We setting 0.05, this is the effects. This button is for ungroup. Here we import a vector file to show you group function. We choose this file, you could see ungroup button is bright. For example, you want to choose door and delete it, but you know method to choose it, you could only choose the whole file. We click this button, ungroup, then you could select individually. Then select the others content, click Group button. And the files group into a group again. Now there are separate into two contexts. Following I will show you if the file is too big, beyond the marking area of software, how to solve it. We can modify the size value here. Remember to fix this lock. Modify the value, click Apply. Then click this button, Put to Origin. The file content will come into the center of working area. And click this button, make the working area biggest in the screen. Click H button for filling. Then we could F1 red light, F2 marking operation. We just show you how to import file, and group on group, modify size operation. Following, we will show you other buttons. These two I buttons are showing and hiding the selected content. These two are mirrored vertically and horizontally. Barcode mirroring is not obvious. We demonstrate with text. This button is delete. If not have keyboard, could using this button to delete content. This is reverse selection. When selecting one content, click to select other content. Following, let's show you the variable text operation. Firstly, I input a text. If I want to mark serial number, time date, etc., click here. Enable variable text. Click Add. Could select serial number, date, time, etc. We select serial number, start 000, current is we start number. For example, start from 012. Limit means the max number. For example 999. Let click F2 mark, and it changed into 013, 014, etc. Now, we click Add, choose date code, add date year, month, day. Now, it's 23 year 8 month 30 day. We could also add time. 24 or 12 hours, minute, second. Now, we mark, and see it changed. You could see 1502 change into 1503. This time is in time. Now I will show you pen number operation. Many people misunderstandings about color, feeling that will marking the color which they are choosed. However, it's not this condition. It's only used to set different parameters of marking content. Now we copy the text into several contents. I choose this text, and select black color. Please note that remove the hook before use default param. Speed set 2000, power set 80. Second text choose blue color, remove the hook. Set the parameter speed 500, power 10. Third text choose red color, speed 1000, power 40. Every text parameter are different, and will have different marking effects. Not using for marking color. Now, we will show you the operation of light, mark, etc. Light, F1, will show the location of marking content. Mark, F2, is marking. This is continual marking processing. When select the hook, and Kleiss mark, that will continual marking and not stop except ESC. mark seal means only marking the select content. If not, hook this parameter. That will marking the whole content. That's the function of select marking. F3 para, that is modify the parameter of equipment. In U-Disk, there are 4 to 5 photos, you could modify F3 parameter as per photos. For these two, show contour, and continue mode. Continues mode, if hook this parameter, when F1 red light confirm. Marking area, no need ESC quit, could click F2 mark directly. For show contour, if hoot this parameter, F1 red light will not showing the red square, only showing the marking content. You could see the different. This is using for marking cycle or others precision content. You could see the marking area more accurate. Let's showing this place value. The X, Y value, left value is setting the marking contents coordinate. If I click center button, the left value will become 0. The right value is the marking content size. Here we setting the font. This H is same with above H for filling. For this blue color F button, we could setting horizontal and vertical. And this is bold, and italic. There is another important function, hook the circle text. You could edit the circle text. Like this. This is the normal text format. If you want to mark on the cylindrical surface or bottle cap, we hook the circle text. And here setting the diameter of circle. There is another method to drawing circle text. Firstly, I draw a circle. Then click the FI, we put the middle of IA on the circle line, and click. Then modify the text content. At last, if your equipment have double red light on the galvanometer, you could find the accurate focal length very easy. Only up and down the light path by the wheel. When 3 red points or 2 red points meet together into 1 point, that's the suitable focal length. No need measure focal length by ruler. Okay, so much for today. If you have any questions, welcome to contact us at any time. We will provide professional service for you.